How to get level 20 fast in Valorant. There is no path to reaching level 20. The player has to finish every level, although reaching level 20 in Valorant requires a significant amount of XP. It is undoubtedly possible with consistent effort. So here are the ways on how to level up to 20 fast in Valorant. First we have here is play regularly and consistently. Although it may seem strange advice, playing every day has advantages in the bigger picture of Valorant. Along with offering a variety of daily missions, Valorant also pays players for finishing their first match. Every time player wins their first match of the day, they receive a bonus of 1000 XP up to 30,000 XP every month. So the second and the third we have here complete daily and weekly challenges and play in a group. If you play with friends, Valorant can help you level up more quickly. When playing with others, you can plot your approach together and raise your chances of success. You will learn the game faster and have a better understanding of its mechanics by playing it with others. Next we have is win games and use XP boost. Okay, so play rated free matches, compete to win, improve your skills, and have fun. To receive a bonus of 1000 AP, make sure to log in at least once per day and win the first game of the day. The match duration, which is the most crucial element, allows you to theoretically prolong if you know you will win in order to earn more AP. And last we have here is purchase the Battle Pass number 7. Play the Spike Rush game mode. Granted, the longer and rated competitive rounds can offer rewards for winning and losing that range from 1300 XP to 2600 XP. 30 to 40-minute match time restriction, however, allows players to inject up to 3 or 4 spike rushes at once. They will receive 4000 XP regardless of the outcome. Thus, even a brief 4-hour play session will result in 24,000 XP. A full 7-day work week of this will result in 168,000 XP. So these are a few ways on how to level 20 fast in Valorant. Thank you for watching this, and I hope to see you in our next video tutorials.